Working on the 2009 Pontiac Vibe 2.4 liter 2AZ FE motor. Just wanted to share my experience with having a spun bearing in this motor. You can see that the arm is pretty much destroyed. There's a huge gash in here. I tried the method of taking the sandpaper and getting at it, trying to fix the rod journal when it was really scuffed up. What I didn't do, what I failed to do, was actually measure the rod journal. So I got some digital calipers, and it did come up a little small in the 47.5 or so millimeter range, which is supposed to be right around 48. So these were brand new when I initially did that job, and it didn't take but just a few minutes of the motor running to spin these bearings as well. So I ordered a new refurbished crankshaft from Crankshaft, a record crankshaft company online. All of the main bearings are right about 55 millimeters, and the rod journals are right at 48 where they're supposed to be. So it also came with a new arm, and then also came with main bearings and the thrust bearings and the journal bearings. So it'll be a nice easy fix. But just wanted to share that with you. If you are going to take this apart, you may as well go through the time to measure all those to see if you need to have one refurbished or take it to the machine shop, because I actually took all this apart, put the motor back together, and then found out that it was a problem. So a few extra minutes and $15 at Harbor Freight would have given me a better sense of what I should have been doing the first time. Thanks.